Hey, it's Alice Siba here from eKidHub University, and I wanted to show you kind of what's inside when you join us to get your guided meditation publishing startup kit. What you see on the screen right now is the actual members area. So when you sign up, you will either get a new eKidHub University account, or if you already are an existing member, do make sure you use your email address that you originally created your account with. So this will be added to the same account for you. And once you've signed up, you could come on in here and you will see that you've got your lessons, downloads. I'll go through it in a little bit more detail for you so you can see what's here. So as always, we always have a start here for best results post in all our training and all our startup kits because we want you to know how to navigate through everything. It also has a link to the community in case you have questions, because we're always happy to help. A good place to start also is in this incorporate meditations into any niche lesson, because it will help you kind of understand how, if you already have a business or if you're thinking of going into a certain topic, what kind of niches, how meditations integrate into that, because we know that meditations are growing in popularity. They help people kind of get focused. They also help people relieve stress. They also help them, visualize and achieve, so that they can achieve things. So it really does fit in. So you can see we have ideas for ways to incorporate it into your products or create products from meditation. And just to get your creative ideas going, you can see that we have 20 ways that things that you can incorporate meditations into your niche. If you don't see your specific one, reading through this will really give you a good idea. Plus, this lesson also connects you with the done for you meditations that are included, that would work well in your niche. You can perhaps publish them as they are, or if you want to customize them at all, the scripts are there for you and you can do that. So speaking of downloads, the downloads are available to you up here as well. So we've included, or you don't, maybe you don't know, you know now that we included 50 done for you guided meditations in a variety of topics. You can see those on the sign up page, and when you download it, we even have a list there so you can easily refer to it. But each one comes with a script in a document format so that you can edit it and use it however you'd like. It also comes in an audio MP3 format, and when you sign up on the sign up page, you can also listen to a sample to see what that sounds like. But obviously you can record it for yourself as well if you prefer to do it in your own voice. And then there's a thumbnail graphic in JPEG format and in a Canva link so that you can download that. So just to give you a quick peek of what the download file looks like. So we do give you this. If you want to download everything, you just click download here. But if you want to go through everything and look and maybe download some things, we recommend to read this one first so you know what's in your folder. And then there is that topic list I was talking about. There's also a script template if you want to create your own meditations. And then there's some thumbnails here, but everything is divided to the 5 major categories: the financial management, health and wellness, personal development, relationships, and spirituality. So when you open this up, you will see that you have so they're in, obviously, when I'm looking at it, it's in alphabetical order, but you can certainly sort it that way if it doesn't open that way for you. So their abundance mindset, there is the document, that's the script, that's the MP3, and then there is the thumbnail that you can download. So it's all ready for you to go and publish as you'd like. You can monetize it, you can add your branding, whatever you would like. And then when we go back to the training, there are some lessons. We talked to you about creating scripts for your own guided meditations. You can use our scripts, you can use that template, but there's also an AI prompt in this lesson that will show you how to create meditations quickly. We give you a different modifications you can do for that prompt so that you can if you want to make a longer one, or if you want to go into different areas with it, more visualizations or whatever you want to do. We also talk about creating audios for your meditation, making videos as well, creating a companion journal for your meditations, which is always great, right? Meditation and journaling always go hand in hand. We also talk about creating a course or a training program for your meditations, or vice versa, right? You could, if you have an existing course, how can you incorporate meditations into that? We talk about that. And then we also talk about creating a meditation challenge, perhaps a 7-day challenge, 30-day challenge, whatever you want to do. We even have a AI prompt that you can use to create your own challenge as well. And then we talk about places to publish and monetize your meditation. So there's a variety of platforms, and we compare them for you, and then you can really just get started. So at any time, as you see on the right here, anytime you need help, you have questions, just come on by the eKit University community. It's built into your account here, and we are always happy to